2022 Stingray C8. Put some 21s and 22s on it with some Michelin Super Sports. Current setup is 20 inch in the back and 19 inch in the front with Michelin. So tires do look kind of small, to be honest with you, from the factory. We're gonna lower the car a little bit. Has adjustable suspension from the factory, so 22s and 21s should look really nice on it. This is for Jay Ford. You know him from the blue truck and the black Challenger there. Dude loves cars. So I guess I might as well say it before anybody else does. Obviously this is a different color white. The car has to be color matched and everything still. It's not done. That's just the body part that's there kind of holding the place until it gets painted. But another thing about the car that's really cool about it, I'm usually a black interior kind of guy, but this peanut butter interior in this car is very nice. It goes well with the white. Nice steering wheel. All of your controls are right here. No gear shift. Everything else is here. It's really a cool car, inside and out.
WMD? Yeah. I know.
Just a real quick clip of this one. This was a really fast, quick sale for me. I didn't really have time to think about it because we wanted to get this truck done within 3 or 4 days of finding all the parts. And I kind of just found some stuff and it came together. This is one of those times where I accidentally love something a lot more than I thought I would. This is the 2023 AT4. This is the new face. So the new front end on it, which is very, very nice. I love it. We did a 6-inch rough country lift. Now, one thing that's cool about the rough country lift in this truck is that if it has a diesel engine in it, the lift kit can't have that skid plate because there's lines for the intercooler that get in the way. This is the little faceplate, the silver faceplate that rough country puts on here to make the cross member look better on the diesel trucks. It actually does work on the non-diesel trucks. So if I was rough country, I would just sell this and not the other one. There's plenty of cases where I've sold this on the non-diesel trucks just because of the faceplate. I don't really like the skid plate as much, so there's that. Now the wheels and tires, these are Artem off-road wheels, 26x14s, called the Curvis. This is the black and milled option. They also make it in all black. It's a local company in Carolina that I deal with. I really like those guys a lot. Very, very nice line of wheels they come out with. They have a forged line too that looks awesome. Now this is 35, 1550, 26 Fury MTs. You guys more commonly see these on like a 16 wide, but there's your 14 wide with a 1550 tire. It looks like really, really good to me. It's almost a square setup, no stretch, fits good on the wheel, rides extremely smooth, gets good mileage. I run Furies, y'all know that. This is a setup. I mean, I think we're below 10 grand installed, tax, everything. I'm not sure exactly how much it was, but it seems like it was in the $8,000 range for this setup. Not bad at all. I would daily drive this for real.